Let's talk about time zones. A conference call is scheduled to start at 9 a.m. in New York City, with participants calling in from Los Angeles and Tokyo. What time does the meeting start for the callers from Los Angeles and from Tokyo? How can you solve a real-world problem such as this? Let's take a close look at this diagram. It shows the standard time zones of the world. The link for this diagram is provided in the video description. Here is UTC 0. UTC stands for Universal Time Coordinated. To the west of UTC 0 are time zones for UTC -1 to -10, and here are the time zones for UTC -11 and -12. These two time zones are wrapped around to the other side of this diagram because the world is round, not flat. To the east of UTC 0 are time zones for +1 to 12. The international dateline is located where -12 and +12 meet, but that's a topic for another video. New York City is -5 time zones from UTC 0, and Los Angeles is -8 time zones from UTC 0. New York City and Los Angeles are 3 time zones apart, so there is a 3-hour time difference between New York City and Los Angeles. 9 o'clock in the morning in New York City is 6 o'clock in the morning in Los Angeles. So that seems simple. You can just use a diagram such as this one to determine the time in different places, right? Well, no. It's more complicated than that because there are exceptions. For example, the country of Japan doesn't implement daylight savings time. So although New York City and Tokyo are 14 time zones apart, indicating a difference of 14 hours, when New York City time changes to daylight savings time, the difference between the two cities is only 13 hours, not 14. Speaking of daylight savings time, for those that do follow daylight savings time, they don't all follow the same schedule. That's a big exception. Look at these examples. So what's a person to do if they want to schedule a conference call with participants in Los Angeles, New York City, and Tokyo? Well, you can use a time zone diagram like this one to give you a general idea of the time differences, but be aware of the exceptions. To avoid mistakes when coordinating different time zones, be sure to verify the schedule. Thanks for watching. So long for now.